Greetings, humans. It's me, Earth. Apparently, some of you think I'm flat, but today I'll show you why I'm round. If you already know the Earth is round but want to understand why, this video is perfect for you. And if you believe the Earth is flat, I'm really glad you're here. I hope what you learned today gives you something new to think about. So let's get started. Why the Earth is round. So the points I'm going to be making for this video are that ships disappear over the horizon bottom first, different stars appear in different hemispheres, gravity points inward, my curved shadow, and finally, modern imagery. Let's start with something sailors noticed thousands of years ago. When a ship sails away, it doesn't just get smaller, it disappears bottom first. If I were flat, the whole ship would just shrink evenly, but on a curved surface, the bottom goes over the horizon first. This point alone should already make the shape of Earth pretty clear, but let's keep going. In the northern hemisphere, you can see the North Star. In the southern hemisphere, you can't, and you see different constellations instead. If I were flat, everyone would see the same sky, but in a spherical world, it makes perfect sense. Go drop any object on the floor. It will fall because of gravity. Flat earthers will tell you that it's because of density and buoyancy, but I will prove otherwise. As this video from the Science Fact shows, two objects with different densities, a bowling ball and a feather, when air resistance is removed, fall at the exact same speed, proving gravity, not density. So the rule of buoyancy is that an object is pushed up by a force equal to the weight of the fluid it pushes out of the way, which has nothing to do with objects falling. Buoyancy is an upward force, meanwhile gravity is a downward one, proving buoyancy wrong. If you prefer proof you can actually see for yourself, just look at Earth's shadow on the moon. I cast a curved shadow. This is called Earth's umbra. Flat objects don't do that. Only a sphere could. And finally, you've taken thousands of pictures of me. From satellites, the moon, space stations, I look pretty round in all of them. No filters, no Photoshop, just me being circular. Now, you might ask, where are the stars in this photo? Well, to explain, space is mostly empty, and the camera was focused on Earth, not any background light. So, to summarize, ships disappear bottom first, stars change depending on where you are, gravity works perfectly on a sphere, my lunar shadow is curved, and you literally have photos of me. It's really not up for debate. I'm round. Thanks for watching the Science Globe. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.